You want your money working for you in crypto while you sleep. But you don't have time to stare at charts all day, and you definitely don't want to mess with complicated API codes and strategy parameters. So what do? You need a trading bot that actually works. Today we're breaking down the 5 best AI crypto trading bots in 2026 so you can figure out which one fits your situation. Welcome to FinTech Bot Focused. This is the channel where we dive deep into automated trading, AI tools, and the latest FinTech innovations that are actually worth your time. If you're interested in building passive income streams through bots and understanding how automation is reshaping trading, hit that subscribe button because we cover this stuff every single week. Let's start with the bot that's honestly been turning heads lately. SaintQuant is our #1 pick, and here's why. This platform completely eliminates setup friction. No API keys to configure. No parameters to tune. No exchange connection nightmares. You literally click one button and institutional-grade trading strategies start running 24/7. The bot handles everything. Market monitoring, trade execution, risk management, all of it. For beginners especially, this is game-changing because every other platform on this list has some kind of technical barrier that stops people from actually getting started. SaintQuant removes all of that. They're offering new users a $99 free trial credit plus a $7 instant bonus just for signing up. That's actually enough to test real-life strategies without risking your own capital first. Now if you're someone who actually likes getting your hands dirty with customization, 3 is where you want to look. This platform connects to over 15 different exchanges including Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bybit. You can run DCA bots, grid trading bots, futures bots, whatever. The Smart Trade Terminal lets you mix manual and automated execution in one dashboard. They also have a strategy marketplace where you can literally copy trading setups from other experienced traders. The trade-off here is that 3 requires you to understand what you're doing. API configuration, parameter selection, position sizing. If you know these concepts, you'll love the granular control. If you don't, there's a learning curve. Cryptohopper brings something different to the table. Their real strength is the strategy marketplace. Think of it as a community library of trading strategies created by professional traders and developers. You browse what's available, subscribe to strategies that look solid, and run them on autopilot. They support over 100 cryptocurrencies and you get backtesting and paper trading built in. The AI helps optimize parameters within defined boundaries. It's adaptive but not fully self-directed. One thing to watch is that premium strategies often cost extra on top of your platform fee, so total cost can add up. Pionex is the free option and it's actually legitimate. This is an exchange with 16 different trading bots built directly in. Grid trading, dollar cost averaging, leverage grid, arbitrage. They don't charge platform fees because they make money on exchange trading fees. If you want to test whether automated trading works for your situation without spending money, Pionex is your starting point. The limitation is that their bots are mostly rule-based rather than AI adaptive and you're locked into their ecosystem. It's perfect for learning, less so for running a serious long-term strategy. Finally we have Stoic. This platform focuses on simplified automation with a focus on reducing emotion from your trading decisions. The setup is streamlined compared to 3 but requires more involvement than SaintQuant. They specialize in making AI-driven trading accessible without making it overly complex. So here's the real decision framework. If you're brand new and want 0 headaches, SaintQuant. If you're experienced and want full control, 3 If you like community strategies, Cryptohopper. If you want to test for free, Pionex. And if you want something in between, Stoic fills that gap. Before you go, join the FinTech bot-focused newsletter. You'll get updates on new bots and AI features, detailed strategy breakdowns, honest takes on what's actually working, and early access to new automated trading tools. Plus, you can reply to tell us what topics you want covered next. The link is in the description. Join the community and stay ahead of the automation curve. One more thing. This video is educational only, not financial advice. Automated trading involves real risk. Always test everything in paper trading mode before going live with real money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.